Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about how to set up and program a universal remote control. Universal remote control. There are multiple ways to program a OS to program a universal remote. But the two most common are direct code entry direct code entry and auto code search and auto code search. Before you begin, make sure the remote has fresh batteries and that the TV is plugged in. The programming process can take several minutes to complete, but you want no interruptions during this time. If the signal between the TV and the remote is lost you will have to start from the beginning. Something is beer is to bear in mind is that not all universal remotes use the same programming methods Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.